So I'm starting off with dirty hair, and I love doing these kind of hairstyles on days where I know that I'm gonna wash my hair. So I'm just spraying some water to get that really slick back, clean look. And then I realized that it's easier to style your baby hairs before you put your hair up. So I'm just taking some gel. This is Eco Gel. You can find this at Target, and a edge brush, and I got this one off of Amazon. But I'm gonna just do the hairs around my face first, and then kind of brush it to go back with my hair, and then I'll put it all up at once. I'm just roughly tying it back because I'm gonna apply some gel. So I'm just brushing it back, tying it very loosely, and then taking some more of that Eco Gel and applying it all over my head. And then taking a smoothing brush and just smoothing it over so that there's not like the weird little gaps in between my hair. And I've also gotten a lot of questions about where I got a smoothing brush, and I had this for years. I found it at Target, but I feel like you can find them anywhere. So now I'm gonna tie my hair, and then I'm gonna spray down any flyaways and make sure that it all stays down. I'm using the Got To Be Glued Hairspray. And then just for added volume, I'm using a second hair tie, and then I'm going in with my insert name here ponytail in the color Ash Blonde, and I'm just gonna clip it in and wrap it around. This shade is a little bit more cool tone and ashier and slightly darker than my hair color, but once it's all wrapped in, you can't really tell the difference. I like to spray that little piece of hair that wraps around just to make sure that it stays together, because sometimes it can get slippery and move around, but adding hairspray just ensures that it's gonna stay in place, and it gives it more texture and it holds a lot better. And then I'm just using the 2 bobby pins that came with it to just pin it down, and these bobby pins actually hold really good. Now I'm just gonna start braiding my hair, and it was extremely challenging because my hair is also really long, and I do have a decent amount of hair on top of the ponytail, which has so much hair. So it was quite a bit of challenge, but I just, took my time. As you can see, I keep going back with the hairspray and just spraying it down because the ponytail is synthetic, and so sometimes it's so smooth and it just slips through my fingers, and so spraying it with the hairspray just gives it a little bit more texture. And then once I reach the end, I'm just securing it with a clear elastic, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go in and just fill in and warm up my hairline, because I really hate when you can see like how white and pale the scalp is versus the rest of your face. And I also have been losing a lot of hair, so I feel like my hairline is just kind of bald. So I like to go in with bronzer first, and then I just take my eyebrow powder and a really dense blending brush and just kind of pat the color in. I don't want too much definition because I'm not trying to have that Drake hairline, but I just like to fill in little spots and just give it a little bit more shading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will leave all of the information down in the info box down below, and thank you so much for watching.